Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing a new camera actually for the YouTube channel. So previously I was using my either my phone to record videos or my other camera, which is the Samsung Smart Camera. It's already very old. So we're gonna upgrade to this one now. It's a Nikon one. This is the J5 model. So this is a mirrorless camera. Comes with a zoom lens kit, and what else can we see in the box? So it does support Wi-Fi and NFC, which is nice. And this is the silver model. There's a black one. I decided to go the silver one. And we obviously got some straps, battery, charger, and all those goodies. USB cable, warranty information, and the user manual. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. So we do get a free SD card with a purchase of this camera. So I did get an SD card for free, which is nice. This is just a 16 gig SanDisk, 98 megabytes read speed. It's nice. Warranty card, manual, yeah, worldwide service warranty and service warranty, which is nice. You do get the user manual, very thick book you can read. If you don't know how to use it, this is the guide. And now we can go ahead and see what we get in the box. So we do get the strap, looks like. And let's see here, we have the this is the charging cable. I think this is a micro USB cable. And the power brick. Yep, the power brick. And what's this? Oh, this is the yeah, this is part of the plug, and I think this is the other part. No, this is the battery itself. So let's just take that out because we want to plug it in soon. So this is looks like yeah, it's a rechargeable lithium ion battery. It's a 850 mAh power. Yeah, so let's take this out to plug it in later. I'm gonna be plugging that in. Let's see what else do we get. I think this is the lens. Yep, we do get the lens. So it is interchangeable. You can swap it out with other Nikon lenses you can buy from Nikon themselves. So in this bundle we get the original zoom lens, which is this one. There we go. So give you an idea of what we're getting. Is a Nikon 10 by 30 mm lens. And then we have a cover here to open the lens. So give you an idea. Really nice. I'll put that aside. And last but not least, the body. So this is the body. Now we can put the box somewhere else. And now we have an idea of this camera. So this is the body itself. There we go. So here is it. Let's zoom in and give you an idea of how the quality is. So there's the battery cage where you can insert the SD card and the battery itself. It's nice. And this is a hole to screw the tripod. And yep, that's all. And this side have a grip here to have to hold the camera pretty nicely. It's a nice feeling here. And a screen, some buttons, menu, viewfinder, and a Wi-Fi button and a delete button. So nice. Record button. So this is where you can change the modes. So we have kind of a number of modes here I can explore. We have the lens here. Looks like it's a pop-up flash over inside here. And we have the on-off switch over there. And this is the HDMI output. Looks like we can output, yeah, HDMI, mini HDMI port, and micro USB port there for charging. Looks like, yeah, it's to charge this battery. And looks like we have a flash button and a Wi-Fi symbol there. And this side, I think this one is to eject the lens. Just try to eject it. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so just a snap and we can take out the cover. And this is where you can put the lens onto the camera. So we can just take this out. Where's the switch? Oh yeah, here. I think it's to the right. There we go. And then you just snap it in place like this. follow the lines you can see here. There's a line over here. And there we go, it's in place now. So now we just have to put the battery, so just like this, and make sure arrow stays like this, and then put it inside. And there we go, just lock it in place. You hear a click sound, and now just have to put the SD card. I'll be unboxing that now. Camera side, and just open up the SanDisk. So here it is. Okay. Okay, got a scissors here to cut the SD card because it's pretty thick, so I just need a scissors to cut it. Okay, and now we can have a look. So this is what you get, the SD adapter, SD card adapter, and also the SD card itself. So I'm not sure this camera supports up to how many gigs. I have to check that up in the internet, but I'm not sure. I think it's about 64 gig, I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong, but I'll check on the internet how much this camera supports. Right, so here is the SD card. You can have a look. 16 GB, class 10. So just to insert it, just open up this. I'm not sure my battery has enough juice. I'll check it out once I put it up. Let's like this, and use your finger and just slide it in. You'll hear a bump, and that is it. So now I think we can turn it on. I hope that's battery. Let's just, yeah, there we go, on. Oh, it's English. Okay. Time zone. Oh, I have to change this. So it is touchscreen. You can see you can use the screen or you can use the arrow keys. It's the same. Let's go to where is. Oh, they don't have Malaysia, so I have to use Beijing, Hong Kong, and Singapore. Okay. So I prefer day 1 year. No daylight saving, and all the time, I just set the time. Okay, clock set, and oh, the lens just popped up, and there we go. We can, I mean, it's working. So yeah, oh, the battery is a bit low there, and yeah. So this is a quick it's programmed. Shutter priority, aperture priority, manual mode, nice. Best moments capture, okay. Motion snapshot, advanced movie. Wow, a lot of features here and a lot of modes we can choose. Right now I'm gonna leave it on auto, and this is the video mode. I'll try that out later. This is the viewfinder, no images. Alright. So yeah, just a quick overview, guys, and of this will be my new camera I'm gonna use for the channel. So come test it out. And yeah, so just a quick initial look at the unboxing of this Nikon 1J5, and yeah, everything I mean, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, let's get some objects. Let's just bring this one because I just need to test out. Shutter speed is very fast. Now it's kind of a low lighting situation, so it's pretty good already. It's too off. Anyway, guys, yep, that's a quick unboxing and have a first look at this Nikon J5. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.